How to buy Ethereum on MetaMask Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your MetaMask Wallet. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top, you're going to see this drop down. Click over there and then select Ethereum main network. After you select that, you'll be good to go. Now you'll see the option of buy Ethereum over here. Just click on it. Then you have to select your country and region. After you do that, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you have to select Ethereum. Just click on this drop down and select Ethereum. Then type in the balance that you want to use for purchasing Ethereum. Then select your payment method. Click on this option. You can use Apple Pay, debit or credit card, PayPal, or instant ACH bank transfer. After you update all the details, click on Get Coins and continue with the process to buy Ethereum. And with that, you'll get Ethereum. So this is how you can easily buy Ethereum on MetaMask Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.